Okay, so it's how to draw from welcometonanas.com. Drawing for any age kids. We're going to draw a sphere, a completely round object today. And look how the light throws shadows onto the paper and onto the edge of the sphere, leaving kind of a highlight. We're going to try to mimic that to make it look 3D. Start by drawing a circle. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can even draw around an object if you want. And then the light's going to be coming from the upper right, so it throws a shadow onto the table, and we're going to draw that kind of in a semicircle outside the sphere. Put your pencil kind of on its edge, and you can draw some shadowing away from the light on the far side of your sphere, and you can kind of smudge it with your finger a little bit to blend it. Draw a little more around the outside edge, and even some contour lines, which are kind of semicircle lines on the edge, and it'll make it look round, so looks more 3D. We're going to make another one of these objects at the top with a table line that goes behind the sphere, and then do that same shadowing on the table and some shadowing or some shading around the outside edge of the sphere, a little bit of shading behind it to look like the wall. You kind of smudge it there with your finger and darken that outside edge of the sphere to make it pop out a little more, and it looks kind of 3D, doesn't it? Well, look, you did it! You learned how to draw a sphere. Good job. More drawing lessons from Welcome to Nanas are coming soon. Be sure to sign up and join us so you can learn some more.